We're gonna get the puppet. He's down here. It's a space squid. Let's turn on all the lights. This is a puppet. See, it's on my arm. He's made out of rubber latex. The skin it's just made out of rubber. And the teeth are made out of bakeable clay, and the eyes are made out of bakeable clay, and they're shiny because they're painted to shine. And he's got tentacles that are made out of wire and stuffed with tissue paper, and yeah. He's just a funny, scary, but not too scary, funny little guy. He got a lot scarier with those teeth, but he's not really scary. And he doesn't bite. He's just a space squid puppet. That's the puppet.